Hey everyone, and welcome to our brand new Algo Trading series. Have you ever wondered what algorithmic trading actually is and why it seems like everyone is talking about it? Well, you've come to the right place. Simply put, algo trading means letting a computer follow a preset list of rules to trade for you. Instead of being glued to charts all day, your strategy runs completely on autopilot. Think about manual trading. It's often driven by emotions like fear and greed. Algo trading removes all of that. It sticks to the rules you set, no matter how wild the market gets. For years, this was a tool for big hedge funds, but now, thanks to amazing no-code platforms, anyone can get started. For example, you could set a rule like, if this stock rises 2%, sell it. The bot follows that rule 24/7, even while you sleep. If you're ready to learn how to do this the easy way, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next episode. Let me know in the comments, are you interested in stocks, forex, or crypto? See you soon.